Start by positioning yourself on your hands and knees with both about shoulder width apart. Ensure that your low back is in a neutral position and actively brace all of your core muscles. Slowly reach one arm forward as though you were pointing ahead, then bring the arm back down. Practice this motion a few times with the same arm and then with the other. Next, stretch one leg behind you and bring it back beneath you. Ensure that your back stays neutral and that you don't twist your back or hip to raise your leg. Again, practice a few times with each side. Now, putting it all together, using opposite sides, reach out one arm and one leg while maintaining good form. Slowly bring your arm and leg back, but instead of placing your hand and knee back down, keep your weight off them and just touch them together before repeating the motion again. Start with 5 to 10 repetitions per side.